Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Yahweh Shalom. So, the name Yahweh Shalom means the Lord is peace. Gideon built an altar with this name after God assured him of his presence and peace in the midst of fear and conflict. Biblically, peace is not just the absence of war, but the fullness of wholeness, reconciliation, and blessings that only God can provide. Yahweh Shalom points to Christ, who himself is peace, reconciling us to God through the cross. This peace is both present in the believer's life now and preferred in the eternal kingdoms where strife and sorrow cease. So, ayon po sa Judges 6:23, chapter 6, verse 23 to 25, that the Lord said to him, "Please do not be afraid, you are not going to die." So Gideon built an altar to the Lord there and called it "The Lord is Peace." To this day it stands. Of the Abretis, the same night the Lord said to him, "Take the second bull from your father's herd, the one 7 years old, tear down your father's altar at to Baal and cut down the Asherah pole beside it." So, ayun po sa ating katuruan, sinasabi ito na peace is elusive to evildoers. So, ang kapayapaan ay sa mga gumagawa ng masama. So, hindi makakaranas ng tunay na isang taong patuloy na namumuhay sa kasalanan, kasi ang guilt, fear, at consequence ng wrongdoing ay lagi siyang hahabulin, kaya mahirap magkaroon ng tahimik na puso kung mali ang landas na tinatahak. And peace is not just absence of danger. So, kahit nasa gitna ka ng trials, storms, or challenges, pwedeng may peace pa rin. Bakit? Kasi ang tunay na kapayapaan ay nanggagaling sa presensya ng Diyos. So, hindi sa sitwasyon mo. Hindi ibig sabihin na walang bagyo. May peace means minsan may bagyo pero payapa ang puso dahil kasama mo si Yahweh. And peace is found in Yahweh's strength. So, ang tunay na peace ay nakikita sa lakas at kapangyarihan ni Yahweh. So, hindi sa sariling kakayahan natin. Kapag umasa tayo sa sarili natin, madaling ma-stress at magpanik. Pero kapag nakalim tayo sa strength ni God, doon natin nararanasan ang deep, secure, at steady na peace. So, ayun po sa ating applications: turn away your sinful ways and tear down every idols of the heart and train your mind to be still, trusting God alone. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.